Back with you. Sorry about that little rant I went on there before. I'm just trying to get ahead, anticipating what people are going to be saying. You know, I would like for no one to be a troll. I hope everyone just says, hey, how can we do that? Or, hey, that's too fast paced for me. What else you got? I got a lot of else's. And I know that else's are needed, meaning other opportunities, OTDB, opportunity to do business. Hydrating a little bit. Watch that last episode, almost 20 minutes. Spilled my guts out there. Having an excellent day, you guys. 6,845 after 26,094. 26,094. Entertainment only. Not advice. We're just trying to put out little tips there, here and there. 26,094 plus 6,845. 6,845. So, wow. There we go. Oh my God. That's another DG level. Is that correct? Yeah, I took that other trade in the last video. I forgot about that. What? No way. 6,845 plus 26. Excuse me. 26,094. 26,094 plus. I'm sorry, guys. 6,845. 6,845. 32,939. That's another DG level. No, it's not. 32.5 is a DG level, dummy. It's 35,000. Anyway, DG 14 is in the house. DG 14 is $32,500. DG means daily goal. I'm not giving any of this money back. I've already took it down to onesies. I'm only going to sit here. I did a big rant in the previous one. I pulled up some famous internet YouTuber guys. Not trying to beat up on anybody. Love them. Highly recommend. Go out to everybody's channels I've ever mentioned. I'm going to put them all in my descriptions to make sure they get props because they help inspired me. And, but also, you know, you got to call bullshit. Got to call BS when BS mandates it. And if you're going to tell people, no one on the internet is trading a brokerage account. No one on the internet shows their brokerage accounts. When you're one of the ones not showing anything, like I'm at least telling you guys what I do and how I do it. You can speculate all you want, but at the end of the day, I got 2 houses, a condo, motor yacht, Corvettes, Mustangs, airplane, instrument rated pilot. Got it all that people want. 37 years of marriage, 2 great kids, working the corporate ladder, making double 6 figures, 2 grandkids. And that's the way it is, the way it goes. First your money, second your clothes, right, bookkeeper? Had one heck of a day over here today, bookkeeper. Did have a $2,600 loss early. Go back and watch those episodes in season 2. Made that back up in pretty short order. Went on to do $26,094 in the morning session. Took that out, zeroed back to 50K. Now we're at 68.45, so 32,900. That is a DG 14. Daily Go 14 is $32,500. Second day in a row we hit that. Had a heck of a week. Going to easily beat last week. Last week was, well, I say easily. We still got tomorrow. We can lose it all. That's why I take it back to 50 after that December 11th implosion I had when Doug was here. But not doing that now. Not taking any trades. I'm just going to do a onesie here in a second. We do have a book map going. I'm going to take
Order
it right
filled.
there. It's going to be a low a day break. We'll take out just a small amount of money. It's only one, so every $20 you see, that's 1 point. There's a 1.5 points. I'm just going to wait on it. There's a few points there. Here, let's get over 100. We'll take it. 100's 5 points. That's a big boy deal. You know, that's all we're hunting. But I'm just letting it run because it's a small amount. Want to make sure you guys see a trade on here. See some patience. There it goes. There's a 1.5 points. Another point. Come on now. 45. Here we go. There's 110.
Order filled.
I think I only got filled at 75. Still, though, 80 is 4 points. So if you was to go up in size, 5, times 4 times 20 bucks, you know, so that just an awesome trade, easy to do. Gonna be the last video of the day, bookkeeper. Let's watch some shows. Did you have a good nap? That's okay. Take that box off. We did that box earlier, and that box did break down. We've been taking those trades. Now we have an orderly sell-off right on the 5 EMA, guys. Everybody's investments are going to be hurting today. I saw some people on some other YouTube channels saying, we can't low here at the low of the day. And look where they said it at. They said it here. They said it here. They said it here. They're sitting on hands. Meanwhile, let me show you my day. Go back and watch the videos. Let me show you that I wasn't in the school that we can't keep shorting it. There's all my entries and orders right there. I shorted it all the way down. Every pullback into the Patriot averages. Red, white, and blue. We got the Patriot averages in the house. I shorted it into every pullback. This chop city, look at how well I avoided this chop. Took some longs in there. Took some in there because we had a little more moves than we did there. The candles are smaller. And then look at that. Shaboom. Shaboom, shameasel. That's how you do $32,900 in a day. Be patient. Have your setups ready. Have great executions. Understand that, yes, you short when the market is going up. When you're in a down market, right? If you go over there, look at our stuff, though. That intraday swing trade break of the VWAP right there. You could have just put a couple lots on there and went about your business for the day and put you a stop loss right above it. You would still be in that trade, and obviously your stop loss would never come back. What if you'd have done that? What if you would have listened to someone like me, not giving you financial advice at all, but listen to someone like me who's telling you what I would do? What if you would have thrown one contract on right there? It never went back, y'all. Soon as it broke through, and let's say it would have done all of this back and forth, the next candle, if it didn't open above the VWAP, you put one contract in there. Look where that high is. You never look back. One contract right there. I'm going to show you how much money you would have made today. And this is in our guidebook. Look, our guidebook is right there. Guide 3, intraday swings. Let me show you the intraday swing. Let's say you entered halfway on that candle, and you're still in it. You come home. Uh-oh, hang on. Halfway, you come home from work, and you got 574 points, and your little low stop loss is still sitting right up there. Of course, it's never been triggered. 574 times 20 bucks. That's 11,480, and what I call the housewife and working man play, meaning you can't sit here on the charts all day. You got other things to do. That's fine. Then you would maybe just do this VWAP plays. Look back here, break of the VWAP, shaboom until there. It's still a winner. There's a break of the VWAP and never look back, and there's the other breakdown of the VWAP. That's 80 points. That's 2 8s, 160 bucks. More than that. Sorry, 1,600. So even just the VWAP breaks will pay you off. Now, this chop city is hard, I know. So you don't do that during those periods. You got to watch videos, study, learn some trading. But there are trades that work like that because you can put your stop real tight. Like, I'm only going to lose 40 bucks. You lose 40 bucks. And then get in it again, and you take this run down to there. Crazy, right? Talking to you guys, I should be taking a trade. Look at the breakdown there. Bookmaps was just telling you. Bookmaps is going crazy. And we were talking. I was doing a little education. Not financial advice. This stuff is very risky. But I am showing you what I do. 700 episodes now. Now we got to wait for this to pull back in here. So I'll just take a quick long.
Order filled.
Comes along. I'll get out real quick. If it continues down, I'm going to go back the other way. But it should pull back a little bit, back toward the 5 EMA. Let's just see here. I'm going to get out real quick. This is for demonstration only. There's 10 bucks. I'll take a little more than 10 bucks. Come on. There we go. 75, 90.
Order filled.
120 bucks. You can't have these big impulse candles without a little bit of retracement. So you grab your Fibonacci Go for I like to go from the middle of a body to the bottom, and there it is. So if it pulls back, it ain't even pulled back to the 236 yet, but if it pulls back to the 0.5, that's healthy. Mainly if it pulls back, I'll show you, we'll do it. If it pulls back to the 5 EMA, I'm going to short it. Just wait, it may not even get there before it continues down. May not even get there, you guys. Long in the tooth on the video. I will short it if it gets there. I'm going to stay with you. Bright red candles are telling me we're going to sell off. We're about to set a new, that 723 should be taken out, but I'm going to wait. I wanted to get up here around the 786 on the fib. I really wanted to, you know what? I'm going to go put my order in. I'll just do it. All right, I want not be that aggressive. I want to be like that. I'll be like a little bit less aggressive. See if it'll get there. I don't think it's going to get there. I think it's going to roll over. I made a maybe too aggressive, and I'm going to get right out if it goes against me. But I'm going to get a fat premium if it just wicks that and fills. I don't know if I'm going to get a fill on this one. We only got a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Be patient. Don't chase or go FOMO and all that. I just need a wick. Get me up there on a wick. Come on, you can do it. Might do a 3 candle. We might pull them back up to the 10, and that's okay. I'm just going to add to it. I'm going to add to this position.
Order filled.
There we go. 275.
Order filled.
425 on a pullback from my fill. Look at that, guys. Did you see that? Oh, I think I got a bad fill, y'all, because what did I 7,000? Let me just see what I got there. I'll be transparent. I can't lie about it. Oh, look. I shorted at 60.25 and covered. So it came back on me. That's okay. We'll do a roulette mastery betting. But now we're going to bet 2. I'm going to short it right there again.
Order filled.
I'm going to short it right there again. I'm going to DCA as it crosses through any levels. I'm going to DCA
Order
right
filled.
there. If it goes on up, let's go. If it goes on up to the 20 EMA, I won't have to.
Order filled.
All right, there's 770. There you go. We actually got a good fill on that one. I shorted it at 768 and I covered at 765. I was just doing a Fibonacci. Where is the retracement? Trying to get value. I would have went ahead and added some up there at the 20 because we're in a downtrend. You're looking for pullbacks to do value adds, right? Value adds, DCA, dollar cost average, value adds. That's 7,536 on the day. 7,536, everybody, plus the 26,094 from this morning. 33,630 on the day, Terry. Solid DG14. Told you guys this was going to be it. That's 13 minutes in. Did have some losses in there today, including the one you just saw me, a little slippage loss there. Well, let's clean up our chart there. All right, let's take off that retracement scale. And guys, I want to show you something. My retracement scales, I turn everything off. The ones I find that's useful for me, not financial advice, okay? Entertainment and education. Look at this coming right back down. I'll go ahead and sell it.
Order filled.
You knew that was going to fail there. I'll just wait, get $150, $210.
Order filled.
$350. Just took out $350 for funsies. I'm literally trying to quit trading today, and they keep setting me up. Keep setting me up over here, bookkeeper. All right, everybody, I'm going to go. The Fibonacci's work. Not advice. Can't tell you what to do, but pulling back into the EMAs on a downturn. We got the red, white, and blue, the Patriot A's, because that's a Patriot averages. That's what we're going to call it from now on. We got the Patriot averages. It's red, white, and blue, 5, 10, 20. No one's using it that I know of, and I didn't invent it. This is what AI has set these to based on looking at price action, and it just seems like it's staying on it for a lot of trading days, as you know if you've been watching this. The VIX is winning today, up 18%, 20.77. Been following it all day, right there. So we're definitely, everybody's portfolios are not doing good. Learn how to day trade. You can offset that with some sales. Look at this sell-off today, guys. Let's measure it. Let's measure it. Look right there to here. Holy smokes, 621 points. Just crazy, crazy. All right, like, subscribe, share, comment down below, hit that notification bell, jump out to the website, grab the free guides, pick them apart, make them your own, give me suggestions. We can help the rest of the community with it. And I will see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Friday rules will be in place. Friday rules will be in place. See if we can't beat last week's total earnings or if we're going to implode.